Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a fun Christmas gnome DIY. We're going to make a little Christmas tree gnome. So the Christmas tree is going to be the gnome hat, and then I'm going to use one of these little Dollar Tree gnome stockings. I'm just going to borrow the beard and the nose. It's so easy to make gnomes with these, and this is a perfect size. I'm going to attach that to one of the galvanized metal flower pots from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to glue it on here where the twine is. I like the twine because that's really pretty too, so no need to do that part. Now for the Christmas tree. I'm using one of the Dollar Tree tinsel Christmas trees and removing all of the tinsels, and it's going to leave me with a perfect little plastic cage here that I can use to make a Christmas tree to go into the flower pot. I do go around and trim off the tabs here just to make sure it's going to fit a little bit better in the pot. I'm also going to weigh it down so it doesn't tip over. I want it to be more bottom heavy. I just use Dollar Tree stone for that, and then I use hot glue to attach the plastic cage to the pot. Really not going to put anything else in it because I'm going to build my Christmas tree with some of the Dollar Tree green garland. Such an easy way to make a Christmas tree. I start at the very tip of the tinsel tree, and it's just the right size for this pot, and I simply wrap it around using all the little tabs and notches on there to grip it until I get to the base here, and I have a Christmas tree that can be my gnome hat. It's so fun and so easy. I think that's going to be enough, so I just attach that with hot glue, and then I go around actually for the brim of the hat one more time, so it'll look like it's covering the little gonk eyes or the gnome, and I attach it. Now I do think that it needs lights because it is a Christmas tree. I'm going to use some of the Dollar Tree battery operated lights and just pop some batteries in there. I love crafting with these no matter what the season, but they have these in all different colors and styles right now. I just chose white for this one. I kind of wanted to do a classic red and white theme with this. And so I just start right here at the top of my Christmas tree, and the 10 lights that are on the battery operated lights is a perfect amount. I'm going to kind of put the battery pack here in the back where I can still get to the switch so that I'll be able to turn it on and off, but that you won't be able to see it with the little switch side out. Now I also want to give it more of a brim of a hat, so I did go around it with a little bit more of that garland to kind of make that stick out a little bit more there over the nose. Now it's time for Christmas ornaments. I picked up these little red, shiny mini Christmas ornaments at Dollar Tree. They even have the hooks as well. I'm going to go ahead and attach those to the hooks and decorate the Christmas tree. Now, if you already had something, you could use that as well. I kind of like the fact that they're just like little classic Christmas ornaments. You could also mix up the colors too and do the traditional Christmas colors. But I really like red for Christmas, so I'm going to go ahead and decorate that. I think that looks so cute. Let me give you a better view of it, a little light up Christmas tree gnome DIY.